Once a king and a lazy man were very good friends. One morning, the king said, "Why don't you do work to earn some money? No one gives me a job. My enemies told everyone that I never do any work in time." The kind king said, "You can go into my treasury and collect as much wealth as you can till sunset." The man rushed home to tell this to his wife. She said, "Go and get the gold coins and gems now." "I cannot go now. Give me lunch first." After lunch, he took a nap for an hour. Then, in the late afternoon, he picked some bags and went to the palace. On the way, he felt hot, so he sat under a tree to rest and ended up sleeping for another 4 hours. When he reached the palace gate had been shut. So he had lost a golden chance because he had not learned the value of time. Time is a gift. So use it wisely, don't waste it.
Time is only the thing. Procrastination is the foundation of all disasters. Time management is life management. The bad news is time flies. The good news is you are the pilot. As it can be induced from the quoted text, the topic of today is time management. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Dimple Raj and today I am going to discuss on the topic time management. Just imagine that there is a bank which credits each and every day in your account rupees 86,400. But by the end of the day, it swaps up all the money left which you could not use. What will you do? Of course, you will use each and every penny of it. In the same manner, God has gifted us a bank called time. Each and every day, He credits 24 hours in our account, that is 86,400 seconds. So it depends on us that how creatively and how constructively we are going to utilize our time. Now let me discuss the 4 most powerful important tips for you. But before starting that, let me tell you one thing. That we divide the time into 3 parts. That is past, present and future. And what do we actually do? We keep on thinking about our past and we keep on imagining our future. But in a meanwhile, we forget the most important aspect of today. That is our present. So it is very important to utilize our present in a very constructive manner. Now let me discuss, there are 2 types of people in this world. The first one is the polychronic and the second one is the monochronic. There are 2 types of people in this world. The first one is the monochronic and the another one is the polychronic. The monochronic people are the people who do their work systematically. They are not very smart, they just try to finish their work. And the second one is the polychronic, that means they are smart, they are intelligent, they divide their work into important and urgent. So students, you have to make sure that you categorize yourself into the second category, that is the polychronic. The first important tip is prepare to-do list and not to-do list. Yes students, this is very important that you should categorize your work and your activities into these 2 categories. Prepare to-do list can be like that the things which you would love to do in your free time and also in your busy schedule time, that is taking care of yourself, your projects, your task, giving time to yourself, that is self-care, that is very important and very major. And never have the concept of that I don't have time, because we all have time, but it depends on us that how you carry on with the things. The second category is not to-do list. Now this is very important that you have to be very specific and very clear about that what is something which is not very important in your life, which is not very urgent in your life. Because like once somebody asked Swami Vivekanand that what is poison, so he said something which is in excess is poison. So you have to make sure that whatever you do in excess, like for example instead of doing the online gamings, you can go for a physical sport. Everything in excess is bad for you, so you have to keep this thing also in your mind. The second tip is prepare and set your goals. That is very important. You have to make sure that at any point of your life, you have to come across with the short-term and long-term goals, because it keeps on motivating you, it keeps on aspiring you, and that is very, very, very important. So please do consider this point. The other tip is wake up 30 minutes early. Yes, students, always do and finish your task before the deadline. If you will initiate before 10 minutes or before 20 or before 30 minutes a day, you will be at peace till the end of the day. This is very important. Please consider it. The last point is delegate the work. It is also a very crucial point that don't be in a habit of giving all the credit to yourself, because at times you have so many responsibilities, and if you will delegate your work, if you are going to divide your work, it is going to be very helpful for you, and it is going to generate a team spirit in you, which is going to be very helpful and very crucial in your life. Let's discuss the Stephen Conway time matrix.
Conway is the author of The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. Conway's system makes use of 4 different quadrants that allow you to prioritize tasks in relation to their importance and urgency, helping you to decide whether you need to address a task immediately or if you can postpone it. As you can see from the graphic, the time management matrix is separated into 4 quadrants that are organized by importance and urgency. Quadrant 1, urgent and important, can be used for crisis, pressing problems, projects that are deadline driven, emergencies, last minute preparations. Quadrant 2 is for not urgent but important, that can be for planning, preparing, training, exercise, health and recreation. Quadrant 3 can be used for urgent but not important, such as interruptions, meetings, small talks. Quadrant 4 is for not urgent and not important, that is for trivia, time wasters, surfing the internet without purpose, watching TV for hours.
Now let us discuss the apps that you can install from App Store or Play Store in your mobile phones that is going to help to manage your time. Now let me discuss with you the online courses that you can go for in this time. Alright students, I hope you find this video helpful to manage your time very well, and at last I want to say this, that if you are going to control the minutes, the hours will be controlled by itself. Thank you very much and take care.